I always mention this. They say, this is my best friend. And if you ask him these questions, has he ever told you to pray? He would say, no. Has he ever told you to go to a religious session where you can learn about your religion? He would say, no. Has he ever warned you against committing the haram, the sins? He would say, no. This is not a friend. The friend is the one that directs you, reminds you that you need to perform the obligations to avoid the sins. He calls you before the lesson. Don't forget, tonight is the lesson. I want to see you there. That's your friend. That's the one who cares for you. You're the one that uses you. The one who wants to have fun. That's why he hangs around with you. He wants to laugh, waste his time. The true friend is the one that reminds you of performing the obligations and avoiding the sins.